Welcome to the Smail 500 Wrap-Up Review. In November, Smail Auto Group held its annual food drive to collect non-perishable food items. This year's engagement was so competitive that we produced a record collection for us and the Westmoreland County Food Bank. Today, the food bank collected the donations. Thanks to the Smail Auto maintenance crew for all their hard work getting the food to where it could be collected by the food bank truck. Seeing them in one location was truly heartwarming. We had a moment to talk to Alan Ferguson, the food bank truck driver. How many pallets did we have back there?
You're going to have, we had a total of 12 and we combined 2 of them and stacked them up so you have 10 pallets. That doesn't include all your loose, like the receptacles in these boxes.
Wow.
So you would have probably a total of 13 total.
Wow.
We just combined them so I had room on a truck.
Where that compares to your normal pickup, what do you think?
Way above and beyond anything I've picked up. You know, usually we pick up a couple 100 pounds of food here and there.
Wow.
You're in the thousands of pounds.
Yeah.
We'll have that weight up this afternoon and we'll give you a weight on it.
And I'm excited to announce that the food bank has weighed our donations and our combined effort has produced 10,529 pounds of food. We have provided approximately 8,000 meals to people in Westmoreland County. And the Westmoreland County Food Bank has stated that this is the largest food drive by a corporation to date.
I am so proud of everyone, so thank you all so very much.
There's a lot of needy families out there, especially this time of year. And we have about 40-some pantries throughout Westmoreland County. On any given day they'll go out. So it's going to touch all facets of the county. And it's a great time of year for it because it's the time of year everybody's in a crunch, hurting a little bit.
Right. From our hearts to yours, we want to wish all the families in Westmoreland County a very happy and healthy holiday season. From all your friends at Smail Auto Group.